So do you want to share any of your experience in just a short this thing?
जब मैं ट्विंकल जी से नहीं मिली थी तो इट वाज लाइक कि जस्ट मैं छाले होते थे और मैं छाले का इलाज करती थी। आई यूज्ड टू गो फॉर ट्रीटमेंट फॉर माय छाले के लिए। बट जब मैं इनसे मिली तो मुझे समझ में आया कि नहीं, इलाज हमें छाले का नहीं करना है, बट वो कहाँ से हो रहा है हमें उसका करना है। तो ये चीजें मैंने उनसे सीखी कि हर चीजें हमारे गट से रिलेटेड होती हैं। सो लुक फॉर द कॉज, नॉट फॉर द ट्रीटमेंट. So that has changed my life a lot, and I'm doing so well now.
Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you for sharing your experience. Kavita, you want to share something?
Yeah, actually, I'm suffering from acid reflux for the last 1-2 years.
Okay.
I tried a lot of stuff. I'm trying a lot of vegan recipes. Now the problem is my family is hardcore non-vegetarian. I find it sometimes very difficult to follow vegan things.
Okay.
Sometimes it becomes very difficult, especially when we go out. They don't want to go to any restaurant related to vegan and vegetarian anything. So there is a problem with me.
But do you think after converting vegan, you got some benefit?
Yeah, so definitely it has helped me a lot, the vegetarian dishes, and I've been avoiding a lot of milk products as much as I can. But sometimes, I have to let go because if I'm going out for a party or anywhere, so that's the issue. As much as when I'm at home, I follow my things, and I'm doing sattvic
But
also.
health-wise, it helped you, the vegan thing?
Yeah, definitely it has helped me.
What are the, can you pinpoint 3 things which helped you turning vegan?
So, completely, I've stopped all the milk products as far as possible. I can do it, and that has really helped my bloating thing. And then definitely, I've started eating a lot of veggies and fruits, and no breads. I've stopped completely, and yeah, that's it.
Lovely. Thank you. Thank you for sharing your experience, Kavita. That's a genuine this thing. We all think it's a fad, this thing. Even a few years back, I used to consider this as a fad. And I'm a avid learner, and I am a Ayurveda student. So in Ayurveda, doodh is your medicine.
Yeah.
They all treat with your doodh, with your dahi, with everything related to doodh is the medicine. Or for me, milk was not it is a childhood memories which I can relate with. Doodh is a delight for me. It's not a staple food in my house. It's a delight. जब भी भूख लगी है मम्मा रूह अफ़ज़ा वाला दूध बना दो. So that used to be me. जब भी भूख लगी है बड़े हो गए तो चलो कोल्ड कॉफी पी लेते हैं. एंड आई एम अ टीटोटलर. आई डोंट ड्रिंक अल्कोहल. और मैं किसी के घर पे भी जाती थी तब भी मैं उनको बोलती थी कि मुझे हल्दी वाला दूध दे दो. सो दिस इज ट्रीट फॉर मी. इट्स नॉट आप लोग हमें बच्चों को तो जबरदस्ती करनी पड़ती है. सो मेरे लिए दूध एक लग्जरी नहीं थी, एक नेसेसिटी थी कि आई यूज टू एंजॉय दूध सो मच. बट जैसे जैसे मैंने लर्निंग और शुरू करी, आई डीपन माई लर्निंग. सो आई एम बीइंग हेल्थ कोच फॉर लास्ट 8 years नाउ. देन आई स्लोली डेवलप की द रूट कॉज एज जस्ट पूनम मेंशन कि मैंने जब अपने क्लाइंट्स देखने शुरू करे. सो आई हैव ट्रीटेड 1500 क्लाइंट्स. तो जो मुझे कॉमन प्रॉब्लम दिखाई दी दैट वाज द गट इश्यू कि वी हैव टू ट्रीट द क्लाइंट फ्रॉम द रूट कॉज, एंड रूट कॉज इज योर गट. मैंने गट पे आई स्टार्टेड स्टडी करी, बट देन आई वेंट इनटू डीप इन माय ओन लर्निंग, एंड देन डार्क फेज ऑफ माय लाइफ केम व्हेन माय नाइट्स वर स्लीपलेस बिकॉज ऑफ शोल्डर पेन. और मुझे इतना शोल्डर पेन मतलब मंथ्स, वीक्स आफ्टर वीक, मंथ आफ्टर मंथ. आई यूज्ड टू कीप ऑन विजिटिंग फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट. I got injection also done on my shoulder. I used to have painkillers. Painkillers were my companion कि मुझे हमेशा एक पर्स में रखनी पड़ रही थी. Though I don't believe on medicines, as you know, I just believe on medicine free lifestyle. बट स्टिल मुझे कभी कभी मुझे इतना पेन हो जाता था कि आई यूज टू बी ऑन पेन किलर्स. सो ये जर्नी मेरी चलती गई, कभी कुछ, बट नथिंग हेल्प मी विद दिस शोल्डर पेन. सो डॉक्टर सेड दिस इज अ फ्रोजन शोल्डर and it will take now years and years. It won't go like this. So doctors जो बोलते हैं, you accept it beautifully कि ठीक है, let me treat the way he wanted to treat. And मेरे husband कहते थे तू अब अपनी डॉक्टरी मत झाड़ और डॉक्टर की बात सुन ले. तो ठीक है, आई एम अ हेल्थ कोच. आई कीप ऑन ट्रीटिंग माय वे आल्सो एंड डॉक्टर वे आल्सो. सो दैट्स अ इंटीग्रेटेड अप्रोच व्हिच आई अप्लाइड. देन आई केम अक्रॉस, आई यूज्ड टू रीड ब्लॉग्स, आर्टिकल्स एंड सी व्हाट इज. then I came across this as Bambi also said this is a trend, this is a fad. तो मुझे भी लगा कि क्या ये चीज I couldn't do it. Then I attended a seminar on plant-based foundation, and there we were taught कि yeah, this is the thing you should try. with so many logical this thing, but still my mind didn't register. Nahi. Then I keep on asking. I was the student ki nahi sir, this can't be happen, this can't be happening. So how can you remove, this is the important source of protein, this is very good for your calcium. And with my own this thing ki nahi, I'm a holistic health coach, I'm an Ayurveda student, so this is not the right thing. So some few days seminar, by end of the seminar I was convinced because of my pain was so much ki I thought ki let me give it a try. Though I tried many other things, but veganism was one of those. So मैंने try करा, not only with commitment but with full heart and soul also. I didn't say कि हाँ मैं इसको थोड़ा थोड़ा करके देख लेती हूँ. I just said to myself, Twinkle, let's do it for a month. 1 month में ठीक हो जाएगा, ठीक है. अगर नहीं ठीक होएगा, we can always come back. बट जैसे जैसे डेज पास हुए, वीक्स पास हुए, मेरा वैसे वैसे पेन भी सबसाइड होना शुरू हो गया. सो व्हेन पेन स्टार्टेड सबसाइडेड, मेरे गट वाज बेटर, आई स्टार्टेड लूजिंग वेट and I started looking younger also after turning vegan. And though I will tell you more ki what all changes I did in vegan, that is my way of turning vegan. But now I'm feeling so much better with my energy level, with my weight, with my overall well-being by this holistic approach. So that's why today I want to tell you ki let's work together on this holistic journey with veganism. And you are all welcome to ask me question, whatever you have. You can write it in the chat box and I will take a proper your question and answer. And this is the interactive session, so you don't have to be hesitant about your questions. So सबसे पहले तो हम सबका यही question है, how do we know if dairy is suiting me or not? हमें पता कैसे चलेगा कि हमें dairy suit भी कर रही है, we can continue. अगर नहीं सूट करी, then only we need to make some changes, right? So for that, आपको अपना just observe your meals. Whenever you have your meal or your snacks or anything with dairy, then observe, is your gut happy or just surviving? Are you having any of these symptoms? मेरी एक क्लाइंट थी, शी इज यंग, मतलब शी इज 35 ईयर ओल्ड एंड वेरी स्लिम एंड ट्रिन, बट शी यूज्ड टू कंप्लेन कि आफ्टर हैविंग स्पेशली पनीर और दही, मेरा ऐसे पेट हो जाता था जैसे आई एम 4-5 months प्रेग्नेंट. और कभी कभी हमारी उंगली में रिंग्स टाइट होना शुरू हो जाती हैं. एंड कभी कभी इफ वी आर वेयरिंग ब्लाउजेस विद साड़ीज, तो साड़ी के ब्लाउज हमें लगता है कि टाइट हो गए हैं एंड वी वांट टू वेयर सम लूज क्लोथ्स. पैंट हम पहन रहे, ट्राउजर्स पहन रहे, ट्राउजर्स के बटन हमें टाइट लगने लग जाते हैं. और मैं ये करती थी कि मैं ट्राउजर्स में इलास्टिक डलवाने शुरू कर दिए थे, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसे लगता था कि खाना खा के मेरा पेट फूल गया है. And some people may find कि after eating food उनको they have urge to pass stool. और कभी कभी स्टूल पास करने के बाद भी लगता है कि still it is not fully evacuated. अभी भी उसमें कुछ हैवीनेस है. एंड बर्पिंग आना, माउथ में एक मेटेलिक सा टेस्ट आ जाना, एक खट्टे डकार कहते हैं हम उसको. और फिर कभी भी वेट गेन हो जाता है, हमें लगता है कि हमने 2-3 दिन में ही एकदम 1 किलो 2 किलो 3 किलो वेट गेन हो जाता है, और वेट लूज कर रही हूँ तो वो सस्टेन नहीं रह पा रहा. सो देयर वाज अ स्टडी हैपेंड इन US which said that 68% of the Earth's population has become lactose intolerant. And all disease begin in gut, be it your immune system, hormones, weight gain, स्किन, ब्रेन, मूड. हमारे को होता है कि हम कुछ काम करने लगते हैं, हम किसी को टेक्स्ट करने लग रहे हैं, फोन उठाया और याद ही नहीं रहता व्हाट वी आर डूइंग. ब्रेन फॉग हो जाता है, किचन में कुछ काम करने जा रहे हैं, पता ही नहीं चलता कि क्या करने आए थे, एंड वी रिटर्न बैक. किसी के साथ होता है ये ब्रेन फॉग? यस मुक्ता. नो. डाइजेशन इशू, ब्लोटिंग, एक्ने? यस कविता. यस साक्षी. तो हमें ये सब चीजें लगती हैं कि why we are losing our memory and we are still young, we are still at 50, some are 40, some are 45, 50, और हमें अभी से क्यों memory issue हो रहा है? Because our gut and our brain is interconnected. There is a single access to our brain. इसीलिए जब हमारे को कुछ अच्छा खाना होता है तो हमारा मूड ठीक हो जाता है. खाना तो आपको पेट को दिया ना आपने, आपका मूड कैसे ठीक हो रहा है? So everything is related to your gut, so we have to heal our gut. So this is a story which is research based. By going vegan, we can improve our gut, reduce the chronic disease. It can be any disease, it can be your diabetes, it can be your BP, it can be your even the deadly the cancer. It can be reversed if we are taking care of our gut and going vegan help people. In weight management, I lost 8 kilos by just going on vegan. Though I don't promote कि आप सिर्फ weight पे focus करो, it should be in a sustainable manner, which I help my clients to. So this is a side effect of going vegan, so you will automatically have the balanced weight loss. Reduce your cholesterol level, increase your energy level. So सबसे पहले we have to find the root cause for our problem. What is the problem? If you are having IBS, what can be the reason? So for that we have to identify the root cause, then eliminate it. So we all just try to eliminate the problem which can be. तो हम सबको लगता है कि हाउ कैन आई लिव विदाउट मिल्क, चाय में तो थोड़ा सा जरूर चाहिए, लगता है ऐसे कि मैं थोड़ा सा ही डालती हूँ, जस्ट एक स्पून ही डालती हूँ, बट आई नीड दैट काइंड ऑफ मिल्क इन माय. पनीर तो पनीर के बिना तो कोई सब्जी नहीं बनती है. अब हर चीज हम पनीर में, मटर पनीर हो गया, शाही पनीर हो गया, चिली पनीर हो गया, सो एवरीथिंग इज पनीर. अगर मैंने पनीर निकाल दिया तो मैं खाऊंगी क्या? एंड दही, वी ऑल की दही में इतने प्रोबायोटिक्स हैं, दही इज सो रिच, हाउ वी कैन लिव विदाउट दही. इसमें से कौन सी चीज आप लोगों की फेवरेट है, विच यू थिंक यू कांट लिव विदाउट इट? Poonam is curd. Anybody loves paneer? Dal and paneer. Kavita, right? Have you ever noticed कि हम जब भी कहीं जाते हैं तो we just have, especially vegetarian, we are just having dal and paneer. You know what is missing in our diet, which is very, very crucial, which is giving us weight gain, which is giving us nutritional deficiency, which is causing the disease. जो हमारी आजकल common disease हो गई हैं, थायराइड हो गया, हमारे hair loss हो गया, hormonal issues हो गए, we are getting irritated. What is the cause for this thing? So dairy. So let's take this challenge, if you are with me, to eliminate dairy for 1 month. And no animal food, no non-veg, eggs, milk, yogurt, cheese, butter. फिर आप कहोगे कि ट्विंकल खाऊंगी क्या? अगर यही सब कुछ निकाल दिया तो देयर इज नथिंग लेफ्ट इन माय डाइट. सो मैं एक चीज अलाउ करती हूँ, जैसे मैंने बोला है कि मैं हर चीज कस्टमाइज बेस में करती हूँ, बिकॉज वी ऑल लिव इन इंडिया, एंड इंडिया में हमें जो सबसे प्योरेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ फैट इज अवेलेबल इज अवर प्योर काउ घी. So we can have 1 tablespoon of cow ghee. So number 1, we are all bothered about our probiotics. What gut needs is the fermented food. And fermented food for probiotic, we all should go for, if you are in India, I think Sulu ma'am is from London. You people are from different parts of the country, so you can see what is local for you. But in India, dosa is local. एंड पिकल्स के नाम पे हमें सबसे ज्यादा लगता है, ओ माय गॉड, दिस इज टू ऑयली, दिस इज टू सॉल्टी. एंड सी योर चाइनीज फूड, सी अदर काइंड ऑफ अ फूड विच इज रिच इन दिस थिंग एंड वी डोंट इवन नोटिस, which is traditional to us. We should consider eating that. Go back to your roots. Overnight fermented rice, fermented vegetables like ginger, carrot, kanji. Our gut has 2 kind of bacteria, good bacteria and bad bacteria. So to increase the quantity of good bacteria, introduce variety of probiotics drink. So इसके लिए आपको ये देखो, in this no dairy product which is involved. So I will give you multiple of options. You will see कि oh my god, I can eat so much. Go for rainbow approach. Our gut has trillions of bacteria and they all need different colors. And like white color is to strengthen your immunity, yellow is for skin elasticity, orange for inflammation, green to detoxify, purple for nervous system, red for your heart. You are having your dal and paneer. Can you see any color in that? Yes or no? Are we having diet which is rich in colors, which is rich in nutrients? These are the natural nutrients, natural color which God, nature has put in. And हमारी diet वो ही एक blend. अगर हम non-veg खा रहे हैं, then also there is no color, phytonutrients. If we are having dal and paneer, still there is no phytonutrients. And how we can expect कि हमारी inflammation कम हो जाएगी, we will improve our immunity, we will detoxify our body without eating these rainbow. So for this, and eating 7 color of fruits is very difficult, I do understand. So here I want to give you my valuable tip, which is very successful with my clients, is eat 2 different colors of your fruits and vegetables. तो they are different all colors, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and decide कि 2 colors of fruits I will eat on Monday, 2 different colors of fruits I will eat on Tuesday, Wednesday, ऐसे करके। और इनफैक्ट हिंदू उसमें होता है कि पीला कपड़ा इस दिन पहनते हैं या ग्रीन कपड़ा इस दिन पहनते हैं, पिंक कलर। सो यू कैन डू विद योर फ्रूट एज वेल। सो दिस विल बी वेरी सिंपल टू फॉलो। And for this, you all need vegan recipes. Do you? You can give your contact number. We will share your vegan recipe to you individually if you need my vegan recipes, which I've created myself, keeping in mind my husband also needs. जैसे अभी someone just mentioned कि it is difficult to have social gathering. We have a people around and we have husband, children. They don't like to eat our bland food. But I promise you, once you will get these recipes, your whole family will start enjoying your meals. So it's just about tweaks and turns. And one thing I want to tell you, कि if you plan to go vegan, this is the warning sign. Please don't tell your husband and your kids. फर्स्ट इम्प्लीमेंट ऑन योर सेल्फ। सबसे हमें लेडीज को होता है, सबसे पहले हम बच्चों पे करते हैं, नहीं ये अच्छा नहीं है, आप भी मत पियो, कोल्ड कॉफी नहीं अच्छी, ये नहीं अच्छा, वो नहीं अच्छा। इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट, imply on yourself, try it on yourself. If you will find some results, then let them experiment. हमें कुछ भी अच्छा लगता है, we start pushing to our family. Thank you for sharing your number, ma'am. Yes, we will note down and we will share the recipe to you. So because you're on this special my vegan workshop, so I want you to gift you one thing. So there is my gut reset program. So this is a very valuable program where you will get the insight ke how to cure your disease with a holistic manner, because my aim is medicine free lifestyle. I will share the link in the group. So in that program, it's a very short, crisp, and how to reset your gut with your home remedies. I don't believe you have to rush to chemist to treat yourself. So you just have to rush to your kitchen. So how with nutritional meals, with balanced lifestyles, and with positive attitude, you can shift from illness to wellness. How beautiful is that? कि किसी चीज की जरूरत नहीं है. We just need to ignite the healer within us. हम सब में ही healer है. Just we need someone who can push us, who can give us accountability to show the path of medicine-free lifestyle, to live an energetic, happy lifestyle. So you must be having this question कि दूध में properties तो बहुत हैं, so why we should avoid it? So milk में कैल्शियम भी होता है, प्रोटीन भी होता है, विटामिन डी भी होता है, but why should I avoid it? I already mentioned कि you have to see if it is suiting you or not. If it is not suiting you, there is an alternative options which I have figured out, which I have studied, and which I have come to conclusion that for everything there is a solution. For your milk, we can go for vegetable juice, nut milk. For your paneer, we can go to tofu, and I will guide you with more protein sources. For your dahi, fermented food is the option, which won't irritate your gut, in fact will cure side by side. So we should go for live plant-based food, which has still the enzymes. आप कुछ भी खाना देखोगे घर पे, कोई एप्पल पड़ा होता है, कोई सब्जी होती है, घिया होता है, कोई भी सब्जी होती है, इट गेट रॉटन। क्यों खराब हो जाती है वो? बिकॉज इट हैज लाइव बैक्टीरिया इन इट दैट इज वेरी वेरी गुड फॉर अवर हेल्थ। एंड हैव यू नोटिस देयर इज टू मच डेफिशिएंसी आई एम सीइंग विद विटामिन B12? व्हाई इट इज हैपनिंग? एनी गेसेस कि व्हाई वी आर हैविंग दिस डेफिशिएंसी? Because we are having too much of cooked food. जब हम खाना, especially the Indian food, we are cooking, it's cooking, और उसमें जो हमारा vitamin B12 है, it get finished. So aim to have semi-cooked food and go for local, fresh and seasonal fruits, which are not cold storaged. So whatever fruits, mango is in your season, go for it. You don't have to. I have seen my clients, I love mango, but Twinkle, I've stopped eating. Why you stop eating? Because I will gain weight. No, my dear friends, you won't gain weight if you are eating anything local, fresh, seasonal and colorful. Weight gain होएगा if we are having which is filled with chemicals. Someone just asked me why we should not be having eggs. Eggs में hormonal injections आ रहे हैं, milk में hormonal injections आ रहे हैं. I'm a very good friend of one company. They own a milk company, and I won't name the company name. And their son is back from US. And they want to now expand. So वो plant based वो जो milk company है where they are expanding, वो expand कर रहे हैं. They are putting up 3 factories. वो 3 फैक्ट्री क्या बनाएगी? SNP, सिंथेटिक मिल्क पाउडर. उस बच्चे ने रिसर्च करी है एंड ही फाइंड आउट दैट यंग चैप कि द फ्यूचर स्कोप इज विद द सिंथेटिक मिल्क पाउडर. The paneer we are getting, it is made with synthetic powder. The dahi we are getting is made. The doodh we are getting, it is. Cows are injected with hormones. Their milk is just for their babies. वो हमारे babies का दूध नहीं पीती. Why we are having their milk? Why we are becoming so greedy? They are forced to give baby because of this milk. You have to watch this cruelty on these animals for us. So let them also enjoy the planet and we also. So that's the aim. हमारे लिए fruits वगैरह हैं, तो let them be happy. Why we want to drink them? Why we want to eat them? Is there any reason? हमारे पास नहीं होते सब्जियां, नहीं होते हमारे पास फल फ्रूट. नेचर ने हमारे लिए भी बनाया, उनके लिए भी बनाया है खाना. Nobody has given us right to eat them, to eat their product. Whatever benefit we want to give, there is a myth कि vegans don't get enough of protein. You eat your legumes, your tofu, your nuts, seeds, your grains, everything has a protein. ये प्रोटीन के मिथ जो मार्केटिंग कंपनी ने जो ये क्रिएट कर दिया है कि प्रोटीन, because they want to sell their milk shakes. So that's why they have told you need extra protein. कभी आपने मम्मी, नानी, दादी कभी उन लोगों को देखा था कि they are having extra proteins? Our Indian diet is already rich in protein. We don't need extra protein. The second myth which is floating is vegan diet is very restrictive and boring. So आपको ये सारे जो salads हैं, जो सब है, ये boring लग रहे हैं. Look at the color, they are so vibrant. They will bring vibrant to your health as well. How you can say this is restrictive, this is boring? You need dairy for strong bones. Calcium is crucial for bone health. But there are plant-based sources. I get my blood test done. I get my vitamin D, B12, everything get tested. Nothing, किसी की deficiency नहीं आती है. So we just have to learn how to live a balanced meal, how to plan our meal with colorful different vegetables and fruits. And उसको restriction में नहीं जाना है. What is your grocery should be look like? Whenever you're going, go for lots of fruits and vegetables. Your millets is local to us. I'm not too fond of going gluten free, but yes, we have to keep on switching your grains. आज वो खा लिया बाजरे का खा लिया तो कल ज्वार का खा लो, परसों wheat खा लो. So ऐसे करके keep on shuffling your grains. And your nuts are very very good source of your protein. Your chia seeds is excellent source of your protein. Sattu is very good. आप सत्तू का comparison दूध से करके देख लो, सत्तू will be higher in your nutrition value. Pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, they are such a rich source of protein, but ये सब कुछ बताएगा नहीं क्योंकि they want to sell their products. We can't be getting false trap in the marketing. We should buy smartly. We have to see our health. We have to see our well-being. We don't have to put money in their pocket. So be little bit smart and reset your mindset. Instead of thinking कि I'm giving up, say to yourself, I can try it. Instead of saying I'm not enough, I'm complete as I am. आप अपने आप से positive talk करो, positive affirmation से. I'm sure you will able to live a medicine-free lifestyle without going for dieting, without going for medication. I can at least learn to do new things. हम जो कर रहे हैं वो तो इतने सालों से कर ही रहे हैं. Let's try some new thing and be committed. If you're taking any decision, don't do in a half-heartedly. Then it will be more injurious. आप करोगे मैं कर तो रही हूँ बट थोड़ा सा ही खा लेती हूँ, फिर मुझे ब्लोटिंग हो जाती है. इफ यू आर कमिटेड देन डू 100%. इफ यू स्टिल नीड सम मोर टाइम, so you can wait. I keep on, if you are following me on Insta as twinkle.healthandheal, and you can follow me. I'm posting recipes there, my tips also, how you can achieve your goal in a better, in a easier manner. हमें हर चीज को difficult बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Life is so beautiful. Make it easy and enjoyable. And in this journey, you might fail. बट फेल से डरना नहीं है, वी विल ट्राई वंस मोर. लाइफ इज नॉट एन एग्जाम कि वो कोई पास और फेल हो जाएगा. एटलीस्ट यू हैव सम एक्सपीरियंस वेयर यू आर ट्राइंग समथिंग न्यू. You are committed for your own well-being. So if you want any your help from me, I'm there for you, and I wish you get well soon and stay healthy, eat vibrant food and be in a vibrant health. And this is my Instagram handle. There is a phone number also if you want to get in touch with me. And if you want to keep on getting messages for us for future webinars, so you can just drop a message to us. We can keep you updated on our priority list. There's a question, can we eat wheat for IBS? So again, we should go on this thing. If you think wheat is not suiting you, go on this root cause analysis. Eliminate it for some certain time period, maybe for a month, and see if your IBS is better, then go for. And it's not only about your food, as I said, it's a holistic approach. So do it with your mindset, do it with your lifestyle, whatever you're doing. So it can be your wheat or it can be your other lifestyle habits also. So see and then you can define. मैं किसी को ऐसे बता नहीं सकती, मैं one to one consultation में I can see कि if it is suiting you or not, because I need to see many factors, what is suiting you and what is not. It won't be good on my part to tell you just कि आपको wheat suit करता है कि नहीं suit करता. In fact for vegan also मैं आपको किसी को force नहीं करूंगी, मैं सिर्फ आपको जैसे मैंने try करा, I want you to just try it with full heart कि आपको सूट कर रहा है तो टेक दिस पाथ, अगर नहीं सूट करेगा तो यू आर वेलकम टू गो टू योर पाथ. सो आपको किसी भी चीज के लिए मेरे कहने पे करने की जरूरत नहीं है, आपकी अपनी कन्विक्शन होएगी, देन ओनली यू डू इट. दैट्स अ बेटर वे टू फॉलो द पाथ. Any other question we have?
Twinkle, can I ask you, if one feels the urge to have tea, is it
Anji.
okay to have black tea with just few spoons of almond milk as a substitute to the regular milk?
Definitely, ma'am. You can have tea, but what I have experienced, what I have seen is tea, empty stomach doesn't suits.
Not empty stomach, sometime in the
Haan.
evening.
If you have, yeah, tea you can have with almond milk. Absolutely, ma'am.
Also, and another question that I wanted to ask for my daughter, she's 10 years old. We do have cows of our own. We have desi ghee cows and sahiwal. So अगर मैं उसको milk या curd या पनीर दूं अपने ही गाय का जिसमें कोई adulteration नहीं है, is that givable or should that also be avoided?
मैम एक ना इसमें ना जो फाइंड आउट अब लेटेस्ट थ्योरी में फाइंड आउट हुआ है, देयर इज अ काइसिन प्रोटीन which is present in all the dairy products, which is not suiting our intestine, which is not suiting our gut. वो बच्चा खुद ही बताता है, क्योंकि मेरा बेटा भी मुझे बताता होता था कि मम्मा आई फील ब्लोटिंग, मैं जब भी दूध पीता हूँ तो आई नीड टू पास स्टूल. मेरा बेटा हमेशा मुझे स्कूल जाने वक्त बेचारा रिक्वेस्ट करता था, रोता था, बट मैं ऐसी मदर थी कि दूध नहीं पिएगा तो मैं तुझे जाने नहीं दूंगी स्कूल.
So that is a mindset, and especially when we feel that we are getting our own pure A2 milk, in that circumstance.
तो मैम इसमें केस में ना मैं आपको माधुरी इसी में यही बोलूंगी कि लेट हर डिसाइड. हम बच्चों की बातें नहीं सुनते और अपने ही करते रहते हैं. So that's not.
In the morning before going to school, if she feels heavy with milk, then I try to substitute it with yogurt. कि ठीक है तुम दही लेकर के चले जाओ. So whether I'm doing the right thing or should I eliminate it for a 10-year-old is my dilemma.
You are in very right dilemma, ma'am. I can understand what you are talking about, but मैंने जो देखा है कि दूध की इतनी प्रॉपर्टीज नहीं है जितना हम लोगों को बताया हुआ था.
Then how does our ancient Ayurveda rate milk, and especially our own home milk, like if we are having our own cows, उसके milk को तो Ayurveda doctors बहुत ही highly वो करते हैं कि उससे better कुछ है ही नहीं.
Absolutely. मैं तो बता रही हूँ, मैंने तो आयुर्वेदा का have done, यानी कि आई एम अ एविड स्टूडेंट, मतलब मुझे आयुर्वेदा बेनिफिट भी बहुत करा है. बट मैंने जब अपने आप पे एक्सपीरियंस करा है और मैंने अपने घर पे भी अपने हस्बैंड साथ बच्चों साथ एक्सपीरियंस करा है, they are feeling much better with their health.
Yeah, because we started keeping cows only for children so that they get pure milk. अब उनको भी नहीं चाहिए तो हम करेंगे क्या?
And you see yourself, आप ना what I will suggest you, आप एक महीना बिना दूध के देख लो. If you are good with it, so you can go. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि it doesn't create any, let your kid also tell, because हमको लगता है कि बच्चों को कुछ नहीं पता होता और हम माओं को सब कुछ पता है. That's also not a good thing, which I regret now.
No, but what I feel is that because they're not genuinely fond of eggs. milk,
हाँ.
eggs हम सब force ही करते हैं. It's not that we are naturally inclined, and we are a vegetarian house. So only when we go out does she eat non-veg. Otherwise, all meals are vegetarian. So then, if I eliminate eggs, which she's not fond of anyways, then how do I give her the required amount of protein which is coming from eggs and milk?
मैम वही मैं बता रही हूँ, इतना हमारे को ना प्रोटीन ना इतनी बड़ी मिथ इंडस्ट्री हो गई है कि फॉर ह्यूमन बीइंग हमें लगता है कि प्रोटीन इज द ओनली थिंग टू स्टे हेल्दी. People are not talking about carbohydrates, they are not talking about fruits, they are not talking about vegetables, they are not talking about millets, good fat, nothing is being taught apart from protein. क्योंकि प्रोटीन इंडस्ट्री इतनी बड़ी हो गई है.
No, I totally understand and agree with that. लेकिन अब
तो
millets
प्रोटीन
है.
इज नॉट द ओनली थिंग, इट्स अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ऑल द माइक्रो एंड मैक्रो न्यूट्रिएंट्स. तो वी हैव टू कंबाइन प्रोटीन. मैम आप अगर पढ़ोगे सत्तू में बहुत अच्छा प्रोटीन है और जो इजीली डाइजेस्टेबल भी है. जो मिल्क का प्रोटीन है वो इजीली डाइजेस्टेबल नहीं है. जो आयुर्वेदा था मैम, तब लोगों की मेहनत का, स्ट्रेंथ का बहुत डिफरेंट था. The way they were brought up,
They could digest it also.
बच्चे बैठ के मैम, तब बच्चे नहीं बैठते थे. They were not sitting on iPad, they were not sitting on TV, they have mental well-being इतना strong रहता था. They were happily, they were happy. अब हमारा everything is impacting our lifestyle.
Correct.
जब आयुर्वेदा बना था, this is an ancient time, तब हमारे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती थी मैम, क्योंकि तब मैम हम लोग भी, मतलब मैं बता रही हूँ, मैंने तो दूध पी के ही बड़ी हुई हूँ.
Yeah, we've all gone through that
And
process.
हमारे को बैठने का कुछ होता ही नहीं था. When we used to get free time, I used to play badminton with my siblings. I used to play carom with my siblings. Stapu खेलते, तो we used to be always active throughout the day.
Correct.
हाँ.
So you think sattu is easily digestible because that is also chana?
This is chana, मैम. चना is a natural, it's made with nature. मैं हर चीज आपको, कुछ भी, कोई भी चीज मैं किसी को अपने, इवन मेरे जब 1-to-1 क्लाइंट्स होते हैं, when I guide them, I take them through the journey, मैं तब भी उनको I just tell them कि यही चीजें आप ट्राई करो and then you get back to me. क्योंकि मैं फिर वीकली अकाउंटेबिलिटी रखती हूँ and then I keep in touch with them डेली बेसिस पे. वो जो डेली चार्ट जब मुझे मिलता है, डेली मैं उनके साथ 90 डेज का उनका साथ होता है, 90 डेज 120 डेज में, देन आई कैन गाइड देम कि हाउ इट थिंग्स कैन हैपन एंड हाउ आई कैन बी partner with you for 1-to-1 consultation.
Right.
In your journey. So
Absolutely.
I hope I answer your question.
Yes. Thank you so much, Twinkle. Thank
you, Madhuri.
you so much. Bye.
Okay, thank you so much. And if you still want your recipe, so you can share your number. We will post it to you directly. I got few this thing. I will. So picture time is my favorite time. तब मुझे सबको देखने को मिल जाता है. आप सब तो मुझे चोरी बैठ के देख रहे हो. Nidhi, Raghav, Kenneth, Rosie, Sulu ma'am. I like Sulu ma'am's commitment. She is in London. Still, she gets up and she watch all my videos, all my workshops, and she has enrolled for boot camp also. Thank you. नॉलेज के साथ एक और जो मुझे इंसाइट मिला है ना, कि मुझे लर्निंग बहुत अच्छी, मतलब बाकी चीजों के लिए जिसको मैं बच्चों को बुलाती थी, प्लीज हेल्प मी विद दिस, हेल्प मी विद दैट, तो वो चीजें मैं अपने आप अब मेरा माइंड वो नहीं मुझे कहता कि मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी. अब माई माइंड सेज यस आई कैन डू इट. वरना ड्रॉप ऑफ एट वी जस्ट कॉल अवर किड्स, ओह माय गॉड मैं यहाँ पे स्टक हो गई हूँ, प्लीज हेल्प मी, आई गॉट स्टक हियर, ये मेरे से अपलोड नहीं हो रहा, ये मुझे फोटोज नहीं दिख रही. सो कीप ऑन चैलेंजिंग योरसेल्फ, इन दैट वे योर ब्रेन विल गेट शार्पन. Thank you for joining and taking out time and giving me time for your journey, for your health journey. I'm really grateful to you all and I wish कि आप आज कुछ ना कुछ तो commitment करो अपने health के लिए. Whatever you think, you start today with one step a day. All the best. Get well soon, my friends. Bye bye.